This video shows how to export records to material cards and Microsoft Excel. Use search and filter controls to find the records you are interested in. You can export a single record from either the list, scatter plot, or curve view using the right-click menu. The export option is also available directly from a datasheet. You can select multiple records in the list view with Shift-click. Or you can select all records on this page from the right-click menu. You can export these records to material cards, or to Excel. To export material cards, first choose the application of interest, then choose an exporter containing the relevant properties. Finally, click Run to generate a material card in the desired format. To export data from the selected records to Excel, choose from a list of predefined templates, then click Export. You can view the progress and download the file from the History panel.